product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully everybody is having a wonderful morning and they're making lots of money. What's going on? Beautiful, beautiful Thursdays, man. Thirsty Thursdays. Bitcoin bouncing, consolidating, coming down now. Everybody's a little bit more puckered. Perfect. As expected. The pink box, guys. There's something about that box, I tell you. Doesn't care. Just makes money. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Thank you for being here. It's been a wonderful week so far. We don't even have a poll up. What should we do the poll today? I think we have the best polls in all of crypto. We might as well open a... I'm not going to go there. No, it's too early already, guys. Come on. Let's jump into the charts. Thank you for being here. Good morning, everybody. Thank you. Let's jump into the charts. What do we have here? Bitcoin rolling over, coming into a buy level. I would like to see a sweep of this low right now. We have rolled over a little bit here. Not, guys, calm down. It's only a little bit, okay? So we only tapped the pink box and broke down, very, very clear. We gave you guys the short from up here, showed you weakness, told you guys about it. Then we had this lollygag. We'll call it a lollygag. Retest, continuation down. Rotating back down, hitting this order block. We got in the middle of the range pink box. Okay, we got a pink box, and a pink box. We have 3 pink boxes. Not every day do you get an opportunity to have 3 pink boxes, guys. So let me tell you, when you are presented with 3 pink boxes, you must be patient, okay? Because this is No Nut November. All right? Oh, man. We're too far already, man. We gone too far already. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel. What's going on? John Foster, Crypto, Blue Collar, Lucky Deal, Paul P, Menace TV, Andrew Ruiz. Can you guys hear that doing? The doing? That's my Telegram. I hate Telegram, by the way. Menace TV, Andrew Ruiz, Mark Gustafson, Steve Hickey, Seymour. What's going on, Random? Shy Owl. What's going on, everybody? Alexandra G. We do have to do a Sin City crypto giveaway today. Yes. Sin City Crypto. Friends of the channel. I love them. They're good people, man. Chris Reitz, what's going on? Steve Hickey, Farhad, Trace, Andrew Cameron, JB, Newbie Crypto, Ape, The Maple Trader, Derek, what's going on? Village Stream, Chris Reitz, Freedom, Blair Stevenson, Jets Trades, what's going on? My man, how you doing, bro? How you doing? Top Otter, he calls me. I think he calls me top G, man. I don't know. I don't mind being Top Otter. A little bit of a bounce here, guys. We weren't up early enough to take this. Well, we were. I was actually up 4:45. I was up the slap on the VWAP. Wasn't able to take the slap. That was your short. Yeah. I told Gio Solana was going to 162.2 yesterday. Remember that last night? Look at this. I wonder if Gio got stopped out. I bet you Gio got stopped out on this right here. I told him it was going up here. Anyways. Solana looks like absolute shite. Absolute shite. Down 3% this morning. All right. Trying to bounce out of another buy level. Who would have thought? Same with the biddy here. Trying to bounce and reclaim. I would like a little bit lower. But remember, you don't always get what you like. So. Clipping bullish divergence down here. Clipping bullish divergence, everybody. Look at that. Because I don't know. Yesterday I had a really good day. It makes me not want to trade, you know, when you crush like a 4,000, almost, I was $200 off a $5,000 day yesterday. But when you have one of those days, you typically just want to ride into the sunset, man. Think about it. I made $1,600 Canadian a week as a carpenter when I worked 40 hours, okay? Not bad change. Not bad chunk of change, right? But damn, man. Damn, right? Okay. $6,400. Okay. Canadian. So what is that in American? 6,400 CAD to USD. 45. I made more money yesterday with 4 trades than I did in a whole week of slaving 40 hours a week. It's $4,541. What is 48? I made $6,700 yesterday Canadian. Trading's cool, man. Trading is cool. Nice push here. Nice bounce. Order block. Retest. Down we go. We'll see. Piggy Llama. Mike Whitty. What's going on? Blair Stevenson. Good to see you guys. Melissa. Bitcoin Dreamer. Good morning. Good morning. Gang. Glad we could get that sorted for you yesterday. Bitcoin Dreamer. Membership is... Honestly, I've never had more tickets in my damn life than this week. I was at 107 tickets in the Discord, okay? I'm at 141 in 3 days. F off. Seriously. I can't handle it, man. I don't have time for tickets. Good morning, MAB. Adam, small man. I'm a small man too, bro. Good to see you. Shout out to the small man. We need to stick together. Nice push here. Little V-shaped recovery coming back up, reclaiming range. Chadwick, good morning, Southern Stacker. D. Oz, Southern Stacker. Steve Hickey, Rob S. Chris Reitz, sorry. Andrew Ruiz, Chantel, good morning. Thank you for always being here, Chantel. Medara, Steve Hickey, Jay Van, Mahaba. It's always good to say Mahaba in the morning. Everybody practice. Mahaba. It feels like it's like therapeutic. Infinite Team TA, man. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Army Piper's in the chat. AI Piper. AI Piper. It's in the game. Crypto Rob, Cryptoholic, DDC, Mosin. Mosin, what's going on, Mosin? Mo money, Mosin. Pat, Dammy, Harp, Omar, what's going on, guys? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Race with Bob onto Poncho. Be rad. Be rad. Yeah, I called you B Rad. How many times have you been called B Rad recently, Brad? B to the rad. Dustin, Dusty, Mark, Tim, what's going on? He's long. Tim's long, guys. I'm in no trades. I took a little scalp this morning for $90. A little slap and go here. Just took this thing up here. $80, sorry. I'll always show you guys my trades, man. It was on Solana, though. I took Solana here. Okay. Here's your trade. Just a quick slapper rally, man. This morning. Because that's how I've been rolling lately. I mean, with the way price action is and the conditions of the market, I've been telling the Discord this, and I've been trying to tell everybody, is that you just take some nice little slappy trades, man. Take the slaps. I mean, I can't deny it. I mean, I just take slappy trades all day. Pop, 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 pop. And it prints, guys. It prints. Every now and then you hit the big cojones like we did yesterday, guys. We hit the best trade of the day yesterday. Everybody put a 1 in the chat if you took the long with me yesterday. We hit the trade of the day yesterday. Did we not? Tell me we took the trade of the effing day yesterday, guys. My God. Check mark for the gang. Gang. No? Put a 1 in the chat if that was the best trade of the day. I would say that was the best effing trade of the day, man. That was so sick. What an entry, guys. You couldn't have gotten a better entry. I added to the trade here. Oh, my God. Whew. Right? Mike Whitty, what's going on? What a trade yesterday, guys. Oof. You guys be printing. Perfect entry yesterday. Good SFP. Hit our key level. My God. Absolute beautiful trade. Jason says to pace myself. MexC plays a part. MexC is garbage, man. I would run away from that shit so fast. Unless you're trading like a $500 account or a $1,000 account and you want to lower your fees. I mean, I have a MexC affiliate, but it's like, guys, it's sketchy, man. Get off that. I lost like $5,000 on MexC because of slippage. The exchange went down, and yeah, that was the last time I traded on there. Now I understand some of you guys want to lower your fees and all of that, and I get it. That's cool. Do what you want, but understand the risks, okay? Especially if you have large capital, okay? If you're trading a $10,000, $20,000 account, is it worth it, really? Is it worth it? You should be a good enough trader where if you have X amount of capital, that you should be able to afford a $50 fee for entering and exiting a trade. Just my opinion. KSEX messaged me today. KSEX. They said, hey, look, this is the message. I'll even show you guys. I won't show you their name. Okay. Here's the message in the Discord. This happens on a daily, guys. All right. Here's a ticket. Guys, here's a ticket. Hey, I'm business developing manager at KSEX. We are exploring a strategic partnership, and I believe there will be an excellent opportunity for mutual benefit for a video collaboration / affiliate program. Okay? It includes clear terms and upfront payment, ensuring both parties are aligned. La 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 la. Have you seen KSEX reserves? Have you seen the reserves? There are no reserves. There are no reserves, okay? We're trying to make crypto honest again, man. What reserves? Look at this push, guys. This is great. Let's go, baby. Solana to Valhalla. Whew. Guys, I should have stayed long. What's going on? Liquidity event or what? Solana's pumping. I'm long. No, I'm not long. We'll wait. Oh, do we wait? I don't know if we wait. Don't be an amby-pamby, Alex. Take the trade. Take the trade. Stop loss to entry. Let's go. What's going on? What's going on? Did we get a tweet or something, guys? Don't you do that to me. Don't you do that to me. Come on. Don't you do that to me. Oh my goodness gracious. Really? You are such a namby-pamby. Higher. Higher. Come on. Thank you. $300. Leave it for a runner. Guys, they just... Here's some money, Alex. Here you go. Here, take some money. Take some money. Go and enjoy the day. Maybe buy some steaks, AlexOCrypto. Here you go. Thank you, AlexOCrypto, for having the stonats. Having the stonats to take the trade. Can I get some GGs in the chat? My God. My God. That was easy. $350 already, guys. Don't give me GGs. That was a total FOMO bullshit trade, guys. That's just fluke. There was no skill in that. That's called rolling the dice with momentum. Safely. Stop losses there and everything like that. But I guess we're off to a good start today. There's nothing good about this trade, guys. Okay? What caused the pump? I don't know. French toaster burnt the toast or something. I don't know. First time ever. And Donald Trump tweeted about it. Degen. Thank you, Jason. I am an absolute degen for taking that trade. You are absolutely right. You can't believe I bought into that candle? I can. Shame chasing an entry. Go to your room. There's nothing good about this trade. Guys, I am AlexO. We are all AlexO, right? Who didn't get the FOMO there? I'm willing to take a loss there for a couple $100 to try and see if we can catch momentum. At the end of the day, I will flash close that shit so fast. Okay? Everybody who's criticizing my degeneracy, you jealous, man. You jealous. I'm kidding. Okay. This is a liquidity grab, but this is beautiful. Can we go up? I haven't been stopped out yet. I'm literally long right underneath this low here. I'm probably going to get stopped out. That's fine. VWAP. Interesting though, guys. What was that? Anybody know? Anybody know what that was? Or was Solana just stopped out? $350. Don't say GG's, okay? Don't say GG's. Guys, do I care? At the end of the day, if you're going to buy into momentum like that, you're typically looking for halfway down the candle and continuation. Okay, so you're typically looking for this. I bought it here, or here, sorry, and I took profit quickly. Stop loss to entry right away. Okay? So if you are going to degen a little bit, there's a way to do it safely. Oh man. Well, we're up $460 today to start the day. Oh man. Beautiful. Don't say GG. No. Army Piper's shaming me. What caused the pump? I only had 8K on MexC as soon as I heard with the FUD. Well, I dropped and rolled, and yeah, good job. Yeah, get it off, man. How do you add to a trade, Chantel? Is that what you're asking? How do you add to a trade? You take the trade again. So the best way to add to a trade, and I can give you a little snippet here, right? So let's say you're in a trade here and you put a penny on. Okay. You go long. You put a little bit on here. Right? You go long for $4,000 or whatever. Right? And then you can just go long again. Look, you just go here. Like you add to the trade. And that's for like laddering in or whatever you want to do. Okay. You can ladder in again. There's another long. Oh, look, we're up $4, guys. Look at that. We're laddering in. All right. Let's go. Gang, gang, gang. All right. So you can ladder in that way. Look at this. This is going to Valhalla, man. Thank you, Chantel, for encouraging me to teach. Can add to it again. Okay. Now, adding to winning trades can make, look at that, guys, GG's. So the thing with adding to a trade, so I added to the Solana trade yesterday. You want to add on pullbacks, and you want to, so on that Solana trade that we got in yesterday, we pushed out. Okay, I hit TP up here, and I'm like 75% out, right? So I'll add a quarter. So I still have, so if it's $100,000 position, I only have 25,000 in. Okay. Because I've taken 3/4 out. So if I'm in my entries here, right? So if this comes back here and I add another quarter, so I'm not going to add more than 25,000 because it's really going to mess up my entry and I will not be protected. Okay. So when you're adding to a trade, you want to understand how much money you have on the trade. So maybe you have $10,000 on the trade, right? And you push up, you take out half, so you have $5,000 left, right? So you have 5K on this trade still. You wait for the pullback. Okay, so you enter here, you take profit here, it pulls back here. You take half of it out here. You want to add that same amount or less to the trade here, which will bring your average entry up half of the distance here. Okay, therefore you're protected under this low and your stop loss can still be at entry. Okay, if it runs again, you can add on the retest again. Maybe take 50 here. Add again. The key to adding to a winning trade is 1, confidence that it's going to continue based on rules, and 2, protecting your initial investment. So not turning a winning trade into a losing trade. We do not want to put ourselves at risk again. We want to continue to make money on the way up. Okay. Guys, we should have held that long, man. We're going to Valhalla. Could someone tell Bitcoin to hold on right now? Bitcoin flying. Let's go, baby. Did we get some news? Ladder goat. That's it. I guess safety gen comes with experience. It does, yeah. Sailor tweet? What did Sailor tweet? Did he say he's cute? Michael Sailor says, Bitcoin on sale. That's what he said. That's all I see. Did you hear Army Piper is voted for Mandami? I'm kidding. Oh, smack. What's going on with New York, man? Okay. That's all I see. President Trump, one day Bitcoin will overtake gold. Did he just tweet that? No. He's making an announcement today at 11. Guys, I can't handle the news, guys. That's why I just trade. Those people who have news channels, shout out to those guys. I can't take it seriously. It's just a whole crock of shit. No? That's what happens when a bunch of foreigners take over a city and all people voted for them were born in the country. It's crazy. Soul was to tell, yeah, Soul just popped, man. Hopefully that helps you, Chantel, with laddering in. I calculated the other day I make $26 per hour. That's good. You FOMO'd hard into your pillow. I was streaming last night. We did Asia last night. Do you guys like my new thumbnail? I did it for Jeanette. She said, do the Matrix thumbnail. So I did the Matrix. I switched it up for you guys. You guys didn't even know it was coming. I'm not buying this anymore, guys. I've made the money off of this pump. It would be silly for me to be a chump and go again, you know? Anybody put a 1 in the chat if you're long, if you FOMO'd in, if you're one of us. I would like to know. Put a 1 in the chat if you're winning. I mean, the Discord had the level. I even longed here this morning, guys. I longed here on Solana. And I shoulda, coulda, woulda, didn't. Okay? Shoulda, coulda, woulda, didn't hold it. I didn't even announce to the Discord that I was going live. What a bad leader. What a bad leader I am. Leader of cola. You know, leader of cola. See, all you guys longed, man. And you guys criticizing me. You're the teacher. You're supposed to lead by example. Made $400 this morning. I'm one of you guys, man. I just manage my risk better and take better trades. And some of you out trade me, I bet. Like, I'm not, I'm just on here talking smack. I know you guys, there's some of you in here who are out trading me, making my $4,800 yesterday look like chump change. I know you exist. I'm just here to try and help, man. You longed fart coin. Sell. Good morning. Thank you guys for just try to out trade your yesterday self. I get that. That makes sense, French toaster. What I would do is try to out trade your last month's self, because it's important to have data. And trading is ups and downs. It's very emotional because we're human. You're going to have good weeks. You're going to have bad weeks. You want to be consistent as possible, which is the hard part in trading. It's the consistency. If you're not consistent, you're just going to end up wrecking yourself, right? Okay. If you do not be consistent, you do end up wrecking yourself, okay? Because you have to be very disciplined with your risk management. Even on losing days, guys, you got to take the loss. Okay? If you do not take the loss, you take a kick in the nuts, okay? Or a punch in the tit, whatever. Because you need, in order to be successful in trading, you need to see this in your account. And you will have dips, but they're not fucking these. This ruins your account. You should be able to trade over time and be consistent and go through a losing spree and be just fine. When I start losing, I get excited because I know the probabilities say that it's going to flip around. Okay, when people start losing, they start getting into tilt. And they get pissed off. And they think the market maker is hunting them. But it's weird. They don't think the market maker is hunting them when they're winning. Interesting. The market maker is not hunting me when I'm winning. But all of a sudden, he got my area code. And he's dialed into my ass. And he's wrecking me. Omar, do you think London's setting up for a bull trap? I'm not sure if we've swept enough liquidity out of the low here. So thank you, everybody, for being here. We can go through a little bit of top-down analysis. I know I've been talking a lot of smack this morning, but we got a little pump here, guys, so we got to get a little bit excited. Okay, so what do we have, really? Like, okay, we hit the pink box last night. I warned everybody in the Discord. Pink box, break a structure, 3-minute, best Discord in all crypto. I mean, not only did we give you the low of the day for the long, yesterday we gave you the high of the day for the short. So, I mean, if I haven't done my job well enough, I don't know what else to tell you guys. As you can see in the Discord here, the notification with the giant spoon. Don't forget the spoon, guys. If you know, here you go. Okay. First sign of weakness, break structure, pink box, bearish divergence, SFP. Okay. And do you know what I did? This was while I was teaching with Piper. You can ask Piper, because Piper saw me take the Solana long here. And then I told everybody I flipped short. Ask Piper. Piper knows because it happened while we were teaching. Didn't it, Piper? I longed Solana up and then I shorted Bitcoin. Ask Piper while we were teaching. So if I can do it while I'm teaching, you should be able to do it. No problem. Oh, I didn't share the charts this morning, guys. Sorry. I'll share the charts. But it was there. It was all there. Sorry guys. Here's all the charts. East Solana Bitcoin. I just shared all three of them. Total facts. See? But yeah, that's funny. Anyways, so what are we looking at? Major resistance. Why was this a pink box, guys? All right. When we zoom out, what do we know about this? Well, we know there's major resistance here. What major resistance, right? If this, then that. So I still have this on extend, right? I got to change that. So major resistance. Order block. Check, 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 right? You can see why we hit it right to the tits, right? Major resistance, order block, okay? Major support. You can see why we held this as support. Okay? Can we come down here? Abso-freaking-lutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. This is a barrier to entry to the higher prices, right? If we're looking at this as a range, which we should be, right? We're in a downtrending range. We're trying to get acceptance back into this guy right here. So we would go low, across, high, across, and here's our defined range, okay? So guess what? We are accumulation, manipulation, and we are looking for distribution again. Just like when we were up here, we had a range, and I said manipulation, distribution. And guess what we got? Okay, it was beautiful. Do we get that? I don't know, man. Sailor's tweeting. Who knows, right? A prepared trader is a profitable trader. You guys know me. I'm not looking for the home run trade. We are looking for some home run trades in the Discord, but not here. We're here to scalp. However, on the higher term timeframes, what does this give me? This is very aggressive. So this gives me the opportunity for a very nice recovery. Okay, why? Because if we go down so fast, why wouldn't we go up so fast? Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Boom, 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 boom. It happens quickly. However, we have put in a double bottom, and most of the time, if we are going to have a significant bottom, I'm looking for this every time. I'm looking for them to come back and wreck the leverage longs, wreck this weirdo who's in a swing trade and he's using his liquidation level down here, okay? He's looking to go to Valhalla. We're looking to wreck those guys before we go up. Is this sufficient? Maybe. Is this corrective? Yes. Okay, because we have impulsive down, corrective. Impulsive down, corrective. Okay, so until we start to get a structure change on a higher term time frame, I'm not getting overly bullish. Okay, we have a high to be taken right now. That is key. Once we take this high and close above it on like a 4-hour time frame, then we can consider the big ass long. Not until then. Because what we talk about a lot of the time is, guys, do we care to get long here, or do we rather get long here with confidence? Do we care to get long here, or do we rather get long here with confidence? Do we care to get long here, or do we rather get long here with confidence? All right, do we care to get long here, or do we rather get long here with confidence? We're still going to get paid. So we have confirmation and we get paid. Okay, so we want confirmation, then we can get paid if we're going to do it. That's what I'm preparing for, right? A prepared trader is a profitable trader. So if this, then that, we want to see acceptance back above 104.5. We hit our head on it. So can we get above it? We'll see. Okay, we understand where our resistance is. You can draw a big ass box here. You'd be like, Alex says we need to get above this box. Okay, if we don't get above this box, then we're coming down to this box. Keep it simple, right? And in between, we can trade it. Okay. What's important that we recognize is trend. Trend is always going to be our friend, right? Because you can be a complete dumbass when you're trading. You can be a dumbass and buy the top. And as long as your stop loss is below here, you still make money or break even. Okay. So we always want to trade with trend. That's how I teach it. That's how we learn. Okay. So what are we doing right now? We have double bottom balloon dog push up. Beautiful long yesterday. Consolidation sideways, choppy, 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 right? You can take your regression trend tool. You can pull that across. You can say we're at the top of the trend. We should be looking for shorts. We have liquidity below us. I like this guy here. We have a golden pocket retracement level. Guess what lines up with this level right here? Golden pocket retracement level. So why are we looking there? Well, there's reasons. Liquidity, golden pocket, right? We also have a nice juicy order block and a retest of previous highs right here. Guess why we're looking here? Same deal. Okay, same deal. So key levels looking for reactions on price for us to bounce if we're going to bounce. Okay, right now they're selling you a dream, hopium, pumpium, whatever. Patience. Patience will prevail if we're looking to make money. Market Cipher. Market Cipher daily has turned up for the first time in a while. Okay, so the first sign of strength with clipping on our Mag 7. Okay, Piper, this thing is absolute fire, bro. Like this thing is so stupidly, this thing is rigged anyways. Clipping, pushing back up on our 12-hour. Okay, continuation back up. 8-hour money flows crossing over with momentum, with clipping, with a trigger wave. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So there's opportunity here. What are we? So then if there's opportunity to push up, what are we looking for? We're looking for a trigger wave. We're looking for that continuation. We're looking for this thing to come back in and cross over the zero line again. Okay, we're looking for VWAP to hold the zero line as well. Okay, we want money to roll over. We want to see this. Do we see that? No, we see inward curvature, which suggests more down right now in the short-term time frame. So patience will prevail. The 2 and the 1 hour are conflicting. So we have a trigger wave down on the 2 hour. We have a trigger wave up on the 1 hour. So we have indecision. So we have down and up on 1 and 2 hours. Who's going to win? Who cares? We'll use price action to determine that. Okay. If you're looking at why my oscillator is the way it is, it's chart prime and market cipher in one. It's the shit. I don't know. I'm in love with it, man. The lines in here are divergences. They're just warning signs. We did a little master class on that yesterday for everybody. Well, you got bull div in here, no clipping, so probably not pushing it. But this morning, if you look at the 3-minute here, guys, look at this. You got bullish divergence and clipping here. Remember what we talked about yesterday? Piper, look at this. It's too easy, bro. Like, do you not long this? Look where it tells you to get long. I digress. Look how that's so overpowered. It's not even funny, man. And then you can buy the momentum on the way out. Anyways. So we're prepared. What are we looking for? Right now, we're looking for a higher high, higher low, continuation out if we're going to get it. However, this is just a tweet. Okay, so possibly something like this. Prepared trader. We're banging our head on VWAP, trying to hold on, see if it can continue onwards and upwards. Okay. What does a trigger wave look like exactly? So you have an anchor wave, which is a deeper wave below your oversold line, and then you have a trigger wave, which is typically under that, like that. Okay. The best is when price action puts in a low and a lower low, and you get divergences. Okay, like this: lower low, higher low, divergences, pop. Okay. Anchor, trigger wave, bang bang. Basic market cipher strategy. Nice push here, trying to continue. No trade for me, guys. VWAP slap, continuation up. Let's see if it does want to keep going. Solana. Yeah, baby, let's go. Gang, gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I do expect you guys to say good morning here. You don't have to hit the like buttons. I do appreciate you guys hitting the like buttons. That does mean the world to me. But thank you for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out every single day. I do appreciate you guys being here. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. If you don't say good morning, you're a lurker. What's going on, Daniel? We're gonna do a month giveaway here. For Sin City Crypto, they said they would give you $100 too. So $100 giveaway plus a membership to my Discord for a month. We're gonna do it today for Sin City Crypto. David came through on my Auto Gang Asian session yesterday. Oh shit. Oh. Well, we made a little bit of money. We made $100 last night. It was good. We love Sin City though. How do you join the Discord? You join the Discord, bro. You see this big ass thing right here? I'll pin the message. You see that big ass thing? You click it. Don't join the Discord. You're gonna be one of these people asking me 1,000 questions for tickets and everything like that. Just don't bother, man. Just subscribe to the YouTube and come here. This 98 Kelvin, yeah. See, Tony, we had a pink box down there too. We were looking lower for that low. But I mean, a double bottom is sufficient to be the low. Like, this is a sufficient low. I would not say that this is not good enough. Right? Because what does a double bottom do? Let's think about it. Right? Especially when it trickles down like this. So everybody's getting long here. Long, 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 long. It shakes out leverage. Okay, so unless you're one of these like big cojones 3x leverage traders, which I know none of you guys are. You're all like degen 50x leverage like me. Okay, unless you're taking a trade like this, everybody else is taking trades like this, right? At minimum. So what it does is it shakes out leverage on this bottom. So the leverage, and they shook out the leverage. It's when they did it too. They shook out leverage at night during Asia. New York session, fear. Everybody's trying to long this, getting wrecked. So they're longing, wrecked, longing, wrecked, longing, wrecked, right? And then they shake out the leverage. Asia does it. And then they consolidate and send it, right? And yes, they have come back, but these guys might be safe. We'll see. But yeah, we were looking lower. We all know that. There's the pink box. So we'll see. We'll see if it does come back. But right now, no bueno. No bueno. Look at that tap on that box, man. So a little bit of patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream and hanging out here today. 450 people in here. Wow, you guys are cool, man. Thank you for being here. That's pretty cool. 164 likes. Nintendo 64. Pretty cool. Don't forget to blow on your game. We got people tweeting. We got a little push right now. Looking good. Looking good. So far, so good. A little bit of patience here, guys. Obviously, a little euphoric pump. I wouldn't be surprised if they send it right back down. Ethereum here coming into our buy level as well. Everything just tapped my levels, man. Except for Solana. No, Solana tapped as well. No trade here. Still waiting. Trapping longs. So right now I want to see consolidation into market open and maybe a sweep like that. That's what we're looking for. So flagging out, but then that sweep is where you want to get long as a scalper. If you get the chance. We got major resistance coming here. 1035. As you can see, tapped our head once. So let's see if it does want to break through. Let's go to Sin City. Let's do the giveaway. Sin City Crypto 400. Let's do a giveaway. Sin City Crypto. Friends of the channel. They've had me on their show when I had like 1,000 subscribers, guys. Great people.
Aligned incentives and open competition.
BitTensor to $1,000. It's a nice 3x.
You'll outperform.
This guy looks like Harry Potter's sister. Harry Potter with a pair of stones. The Philosopher's Stones. Philosopher's Bone. Go to this video. Type in Otter Gang. Gang. Okay? $100 giveaway. For all you degenerates. Watch out for Albert Radjagukuk, everybody. Albert Radjagukuk. He's got one of those phone things with 500 phones, and he comments. Okay, go over here, comment Otter Gang. Subscribe to Sin City Crypto. Trying to get them to 100K, man. 100,000 subscribers, man. That would be cool. I'd like to see this change a little bit, guys, here. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the guys, too. David, great guy, man. He's very tall and gives me big hugs. Okay. I've met these guys in person. That's the cool thing. It's nice to meet people in person. Army Piper, when I hug Army Piper, I only come up to the bottom of his knee. Ask him. He almost mushroom slaps me. I'm short enough that it just misses my head. $100. $100, guys. Are you sure it's called a hug? He hugs my waist like a small child. That's it, right? Complete mushroom slap. Guys, don't be rude, man. Don't be rude. Nice push here, trying to go. I don't buy it. I don't buy this move at all. Robinhood is considering adopting a Bitcoin treasury. Yeah. What's all this bullshit coming out now? My God. Interesting. Guys, go over here. $100 USDT. Life-changing for some people. Comment Otter Gang on this video. Subscribe. How many comments do we got?
I'm going to break down why I'm bullish on it. What happened the last time?
Only four comments? Are you guys weird? Are you guys... What's wrong with you guys? Is this not the same link? If you're already a member, you're going to end a membership, man. Do it now. Stop whining. I want to trade, guys. Come on. I'm trying to get this thing done. This is a big one. I want everybody to see their names. How many comments do we have? 3? 3 comments? What? Are you guys weird?
I'm going to break down why.
You guys trolling me? I'm gonna roll it. I'll give you 5 seconds, man. What?
I'm going to break down why I'm bullish on it. What happened the last time, the last 2 times?
6 comments. Man, this is good odds. French toaster, we gonna be rich, bro. I'm gonna win. If I win, I'm taking the money. You have to be subscribed to comment on their videos. We can't wait to win, man.
I'm going to break down why I'm bullish on it. What
7 comments. There's 7 comments, guys. Hey, French Toaster, you want $100, bro? Where are all the comments? Have you guys been commenting?
What happened?
8 comments. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. Getting spam, change the keyword. Refresh. Guys, I refreshed it, man. That can't be right. Whoa. Oh, man. Comment. Why isn't it? What? I've never seen this before. French Toaster, roll it, man. You see your comment on the screen, but not. Maybe you guys got to get creative with your comments or something, guys. 8 comments. You guys be trolling me, man. What? YouTube's trolling me.
Aligned incentives and open competition. You'll outperform.
8 comments, guys. You guys are all full of shit. No, not doing it. We got to try another video. We're going to try another video. I like this Tau video. It's a good video. H bar? Are we going to do H bar then?
Well, we finally made it. Hedera becomes
Otter Gang. My comment worked. Go to this video and comment Otter Gang. Last chance, man. Otherwise, I'm trading. $100. Here's the new video. I'm spamming it right now. Comment Otter Gang. Bitcoin hasn't moved, thank God. Because if this thing was moving around, man, I wouldn't be doing this. I want to trade, guys, but we're doing a giveaway here. Jeez, why do they make my life so hard?
Well, we finally
6 comments.
Well, we finally made it.
French Toaster and Billy are going to win $100. Why isn't it showing people's comments?
I'm going to break down why I'm
8 comments here. 6 comments here.
Hedera becomes the third. Well, we
1, 2, 3. It ain't working, guys. It ain't working. I don't know what to say anymore. My YouTube, but YouTube is broken. Try newest comments to sort it by. Guys, it's ruining my sort by newest first. I don't see it, guys. Do we have to go to like one of their live streams maybe? Okay, this is the last effing try, guys. This is the last try. I'm not messing with this anymore. I want to trade. Last try, okay? Try this one. Try this one, please. Comment Otter Gang. This is crazy. $100 giveaway. 1 month membership to the Discord. Last call is this video. Then I'm going back to trading. I can't do this anymore. Refresh. We got 5 comments. This is some bullshit. Is it just their channel that's not working? Like, should we try someone else's channel? Nope. It's just not working. Bitcoin's trying to push here. We could do Wave Cipher. What do you guys think? Or we could do our newest trader here. Let's do FJ.
What's up, everybody?
All right. Last, guys, it's not working on Sin City Crypto. I believe you guys all commented. Do this one. I believe this one's going to work. Otter Gang. Comment Otter Gang. Like, subscribe. He's almost at 5,000. Let's get him to 5,000, guys. Let's see if this is working.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video.
Otter Gang. Bitcoin's trying to push right now. Bitcoin's pushing, guys. So far, so good.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video, and today it will be an up.
Don't tell me you guys commented on this one too. It's not showing, right? You guys done it? Look, he's
What's up,
got
everybody? Welcome.
he's got 5,060. Look at the subs, man. What is going on with this shit? We got to do it tomorrow, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Bullshit. I can't change it. That's so weird, man. So weird, man. Too much gang, man. Too much gang. Look at the first video. Let's go back to the first video. We could do that. Double top here, rejection. Maybe it'll show up now. The bit tensor video, yeah? Bit
Align
tensor.
incentives and open
8 comments. Guys, it's fucked up. 8 comments. Okay? 8 comments. We'll do it tomorrow. I'm not dealing with this. All for nothing. You can come back tomorrow. I tried, man. Normally it's bang, bang, okay? Normally it's bang, bang. We do the giveaway. We're done. We're back to trading. See, we should have been short here. Now I'm pissed off. Kidding. I'm never in tilt, man. We're up $400 today. One trade. Took this a lot, not long. Coming into market open 906 right now. We've done a top-down analysis before all that shit. So if you want to go and look at it, you can rewind the video. You'll find it. It's when I'm actually doing TA and not talking a lot of smack. It's in between the smack talking and the comment picking. It's right in between that. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's get into some trades today. 490 people in here. We will do the giveaway tomorrow. I don't know what's going on with it, guys. I'm not going to sit here and wait for YouTube to figure its shit out. We're here to trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. And it's so weird. Rotating down here. Big dump here. Nice rotation. Nice rotation. Jimmy with the stimmies back in the town. What's going on, Jimmy? Good to see you, man. Kuntube. What's going on? Village stream. All for nothing, yeah. Guess you'll have to come here tomorrow. I'm going to do it early, too. I'm going to do it right at the beginning of the stream tomorrow. I'm going to do it right at the beginning. So if you're not here, man, you're going to miss it. Because I ain't dealing with that. What's going on, Dave Digital? I'm still waiting to have a chat. When are you going to call me? Why don't you call me this afternoon, Dave? All right, Dave. Message me when you're home and you're free, and we'll have a chat. We got to get you on the stream. Still waiting for you to come here and talk shit with me, man. Dave Digital. Let's see some double D's in the chat. Nothing better than a pair of double D's in the chat. Nothing better. Well, this is the trade setup we set up with David last night. It got stopped out. I guess we should have done this. Bit tensor trying to run. Lower. It says lower. Everything says lower right now. Dumpy. Everything says lower. Failure to hold VWAP. Aggressive moves through VWAP. Rotation down. This is coming for liquidity down here. 102, 105. Nice dump. Hopium, dumpium. Hopium, dumpium. That is the market right now. Participate safely. Pay yourselves. 490 people in here. 230 likes. Thank you, guys. Sorry about the giveaway. We will do it tomorrow. That's okay, Dave. That's okay. We'll figure it out, bro. Nice push here. Bullet, good morning. Good to see you. Soilana back down. Yeah. Yeah. Retest to previous highs. I mean, this is where you would typically look for support to come in, but Bart Simpson, right? Do. So I'm just waiting here. This is a pretty aggressive rollover. Same with Bitcoin. I look for it to come for this low here. This sweep of this low, 102.1. Trying to come for this guy right here, where we got long yesterday. Full circle. Look at that long. What a great trade yesterday. 2 trades today. One little stab here, and then a continuation trade. Degenerate trade. I am one of you guys. Sometimes I like to get the little degen on, but we'll see how it goes here. Little pump and dump, Sailor tweet, whatever. It's done nothing for the market. It's right back to where it started. So let's see if it does want to continue down here. We've swept the liquidity out of all this, which is good. So the only liquidity that we are looking to take is these guys here and this guy up here. This is taken care of. Then we're looking to come down to these guys here. Pink box, okay? We'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Sorry about the giveaway today. I do feel guilty, but I mean, I can't make it do what I want. Okay, patience, patience, patience. Let's take a look at the S&P and what we're expecting for today. Oof, look at that flaccid S&P 500. Like I said, I want to see a gap down below here and recovery. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, retest of these highs in here. I want to see a gap down and recovery. Clearly downtrend in here. Sam Altman needing a loan. Okay, clearly downtrending here. So I want to see a gap below, or I want to see us break down. Maybe we gap here and then we break down, then we bounce. That's the bullish sign, in my opinion. Not until we get that am I going to be really bullish. You know, we were calling for the dump up here when we made these gaps down here, and there we go. So prepared, right? Understanding that, you know, oh, look at the NASDAQ. What a big old floppy, big floppy donkey. Big floppy donkey, you know. If you know, you know. Big liquidity grab back into support level, rollover. Yeah, nasty. No trade. Nasty, no trade. Trying to bounce. Coming right into market open, 18 minutes. So let's be patient. V-shaped recovery on board, but surprised it didn't come for this high here. Choppy. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We'll see if we do get some trades today. A little trigger wave to the upside here, overextended. Trying to push back, retest to previous highs, continuation down. Retest to previous lows. I always get mentally messed up with that, like verbalizing retest, because I'm used to retest to previous highs, right? In an uptrend, retest to previous lows in a downtrend. My verbiage is always I always get it twisted. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. I'm gonna get some coffee. I'm low, and we're going into market open, so we'll see if we can get you guys all set up here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. 520 people here. We'll hopefully take some more trades today. I like the volatility today. Thursdays are fun. See if we can get a VWAP slap here and a rejection. That would be kind of cool. Continuation down to our liquidity. I'll be right back. I won't be too long.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get up out the lane. Ain't about to trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's easy. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it's
AlexOCrypto.
when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it's drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. Good times, man. Breaking down now. So we do have structure break here. This is possible golden pocket 786 retracement. Yeah. Trying to bounce out of here. Very aggressive dump down though. Retested previous lows. Continuation down. NASDAQ continuation down. Okay, so no trade here. Just waiting. Soy boy Lana. Still waiting here. Am I gonna stream this evening again? No. Thursday's days with my with the family. So Thursday is actually my only day where I'm not like absolutely swamped. I've been doing. What have I been doing? I've been in 4:30 till what time did we stream till last night? 9 o'clock my time. How many hours is that? How many hours is that? 4:30 to 9 o'clock at night. I don't even know, guys. That's how many hours I work from Monday to Thursday, Monday to Wednesday. Fridays, I work till, well, typically, 15-hour days. Okay. That's the Discord. Just look at my messages in the Discord. You see, it doesn't stop, man. Yesterday was a very long day. Absolutely, Alexander G. Wednesdays is my longest day. But you got to keep the spoon, you got to keep the spoon nice and polished so that the Discord feasts. I don't want everybody to eat. I want everybody to feast, okay? Abundance. What did they say? AI is going to bring abundance? Well, I bring abundance in trading, okay? That's what I want. Abundance for my community. It's the best community in the world. Get at me. Thank you, Jesse. God bless, bro. We need a poll. What is a good poll? Okay. You have to get rid of one. This is always fun. This is always fun. It's always like tacos. People are always... Tacos or pizza, I think. I may missed your answer. Do you use leverage or just spot? I buy spot and leverage, and I trade leverage. Stripper pole, yeah, Chelsea. We're trying. Anyone else think AI revolutions and quantum computing that make markets will become untradeable one day? Possibly. I think there'll always be a place to kind of take a stab. Pasta and pizza are just so versatile, though, guys. Like, you can have an Alfredo, you can have a white sauce, you can have a red sauce, you can have, you know? You can have, I mean, you pick steak. We're not friends, man. I'm a steak lover. Yeah. I mean, but you can have varieties of, you can have pizza with pineapple. You can have pizza, I mean, cold pizza. I mean, what pizza is bad pizza, really? I mean, it's bread, cheese, sauce, and toppings. That poll is my diet. Right? You can have steak tacos though, guys. Cuban pizza's nasty? I don't know if I've had Cuban pizza. Pineapple with pizza with pineapple. Let's go, DDT. Good morning, Golden Child. Little rejection here. No strengths. NASDAQ continues to yeah, it's rolling. It's rolling right now. Why was it easy to long yesterday? Look at the bid on NASDAQ. Nonstop, right? Look at the bid. Look at the bid. Sorry, that wasn't yesterday. It was here. Constant bid, guys. No need to fade that move yesterday until you get topping structure, and then off you go. Easy trades. See what we get today. 2 trades today, up 400 and whatever. 400 and something. Look, we made $21. We made 21 bucks teaching someone how to ladder into a trade and to add to a position. We're up. Not bad for today. We even made money teaching when I just was chucking money at the wall. Too funny. Maybe it's one of those days. Let's not ruin our luck here. Let's just be patient. Rejection on VWAP on the 0 line. Rotation down. Look at how choppy this is, guys. When you're this tight on Market Cipher, you do not have. You see the momentum difference? Caution, in my opinion. NASDAQ looks weak. SPY looks weak. Gap down today. Come on, come down here, SPY, and then recover, please. Been looking for this all week. Soy Boy Lana losing support. ETH losing support, coming back down for liquidity down below. We can also look here. Wrong button, sorry. Yeah, no trade. Rolling over. Weak sauce. Anybody in the short? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I love seeing you guys win, man. I love seeing you guys win. So make sure you guys are paying yourselves, taking high probability trade setups. We're here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Taking trades, showing you guys the trades, managing the risk, making crypto honest again, just showing you guys how I do it. If it helps you, hopefully, you stay and you hang out. You say good morning. You don't be a weirdo. I'm just grateful for you guys hanging out here with me and pressing buttons together. We're professional button pushers, okay? But we must manage risk and be patient here. So thank you guys for being here. I do appreciate your support, subscribing, all that good stuff. You guys are top notch, man. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you want to take your trading further, consider joining the Discord. Best Discord in crypto. 8 traders, signals, setups, live streams. You don't need anything else. And a plethora of lessons. Over 150 lessons. I need to count so I know I have a number. I need a number. I'll count today. And reviewing your trades. Like, I don't know, man. Who comes in here? I say, guys, just share me your trades. I'll take a look at your trades, okay? Right? Who comes in here? You share your trades with me, okay? You say, hey, Alex, do you mind looking at this? We're trying to trade volume here. This is where I entered. This is where I exit. You got to do a little bit of work. You got to show me what you're looking at. Then I go and I record a video catering to your... Hey, bro, just taking a quick look at these trades and the volume confluence that you're... And I'll take a look at your trades. I'll read your question. I'll look at your trades. I'll tell you why you were wrong, what you should be looking at, how you're looking at it. You basically get one-on-one service with me, man. Because I want you to win. I want you to go and help someone else. And I want you to make so much money that you just join our Discord to hang out, man. And that's it. You don't need to, yeah. Anyways. I'm weird, but I do say good morning. Thank you, Johnson. Mr. Weirdo. Thank you for saying good morning. Bunch of you guys short. Good job, everybody. A couple of you guys long. Okay. Okay. Long. Hopefully from below. Market open in 4 minutes, everybody. Your battery died on the Solana long? Uh-oh. I'm now Hindi. Cool, man. Thank you. Spaghetti and meat sauce calzone. Hey. I haven't had like a panini in a while, man, or a nice calzone. They don't make the calzone in this area where I moved to. Sorry you lost your 600 PNL there, Suelo Almeida. What is your channel? It says you got a check mark. Big screen and beyond. You race? Do you do race cars? You handsome. That's for damn sure. No wonder you got so many subscribers, man. Suelio Almeida.
As many of you know, I've been working with thousands of students. We have 11,000 students on my academy, all about racing technique, and I have over 3,000 coaching sessions.
Let's go.
You immediately, especially mid-corner, on to really adjust the balance of the car right on that middle between oversteer and understeer.
Okay, man. All I hear is Tokyo Drift, bro. Come to Canada. I'll show you how to drive in the snow. That's all I got. That's all I got, man. Thank you for being here, Mr. Suelio Almeida. Great hair, bro. You got great hair. Great hair. You started racing in Canada. Awesome, bro. That's awesome. Thanks for coming through. You trying to be a day trader now? Come on, racing got to pay you nice. Dumpy. Yeah, seems like we're rolling over. Thank you for coming through, everybody. Go and give Suelio. I wish I could say your name properly. Maybe you teach me. Suelio Almeida. God bless you. What's going on, Sniper? Good to see you, bro. How you doing, man? How was Asia last night? We missed the long, but we managed to scalp $100 last night. So we missed the long last night. It was a bit like herp and derp, like all over the place. Where was it? Here. Right. So I got long. Where did we get long? Okay. So this was the issue. This was the long in here. Bull div, retest, continuation out, coming into the fair value gap target. I managed to catch the scalp up here long and then stop the stream. But it was obvious down here, and I should have taken the long here, but I didn't. So we missed out on a little bit of a move, but we made $100 last night. But bull divs, retest, continuation out into target, liquidity. It was good. Market is open, everybody. Sorry, guys, a little bit late to the party here. Rolling over here. S&P 500 gapping down, not fully down to where we want to see it. So making a nice gap here. We'll see how it behaves. Looking to come down into here. NASDAQ continuing to roll over. Weakness in the charts. Bitcoin holding up surprisingly below VWAP. Looking as though it needs to come down to here, 102, 100. Okay, looking for a rollover. Solana. Bart Simpson coming back into here. ETH, same thing, coming into here. No bottoming structure, roll over here, guys, so I'd expect it to be lower for now. Lower and slower. So a little bit of patience here. See if we can get some nice bottoming here. Maybe an SFP on the NASDAQ here. And a bounce. We'll see. Trying to hold here. We'd like to see a reclaim of VWAP here. We understand that there's a huge level of resistance at 103,500 here. So let's be patient. Look for this thing to come and sweep down in here at 102. Okay. We'll see what we get. Breaking down now. Clear breakdown from yesterday. So double top, break of structure, retest, continuation down here. Last night we gave the level at the pink box. We got the long yesterday down from here. We'll see what we can get today. Up 400 for the day. See if it wants to do anything that we like. Don't want to give it away, but a little bit of patience here. Thank you everybody for being here on the live. Smacking like button, subscribing if you're new. Hanging out. We'll see what we can find. Bitcoin, 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 baby. Patience here. We got an SFP on Ethereum. We got a swing failure on Ethereum here. So it has grabbed liquidity out of this area. Could lead to a potential bounce. NASDAQ still needs to come for those lows. SPY. Recovery. So it's recovered the gap. That means it can rotate downwards now. So what, gap down, filled the gap, rotation back down. It's on the table now. Very easily. You'll see. Nice bounce here on this. Nice bounce here on NASDAQ. Good candle. Still waiting here, guys. A little patience. A little patience. ETH still rolling over. Solana still rolling over. Weakness. Weakness, weakness, weakness. No strength here. Coming down for this low. I prefer this low down here. Nice rollover here for Biddy. Coming right back to where we started this morning. A little bit of patience here. Coming down for potential SFP. We do have a little block just below here. This guy over here. We'll see how it behaves. Lower. This says lower. Definitely lower. I don't even know if this is valid. I would think here. I would think lower here. These highs. If we lose this, we're coming for these highs. This guy here. Bitcoin rolling over. Still waiting here. Thank you everybody for being here, subscribing, hanging out. God bless you guys. Sniper's Nightmare becoming a member, man. You don't have to do that. You're already a member, bro. You like the member. $550 people here. Thank you for being here, guys. I do appreciate it. Look at all the beautiful otters. That's it, Melissa. Let's see some otters in the chat, guys. Gang, gang, gang. Thank you guys for being here. It's pretty wild. Sniper, can you believe there's this many people here watching me talk shit? Like, you've been watching me talk shit for like 3 years, man. I don't know how you do it, man. Remember when I first started? I can't even believe you tuned in. It's because we were trading TRB, bro. Oh, man. Rolling over here. SFP. Sweeping, baby. We sweeping. Dump City. No trade here, guys. Down we go. Down we go. GG's on the shorts, everybody. So your aggressive move, like this was our short here. Retest of the lows. Didn't take it here. Just didn't get high enough for me, which is upsetting because that would have been a great short. However, we reset. Bullish divergence, trying to push here. Overextended to the downside. No SFP yet on Solana. Big rollover here. There's no reason to long this here yet. I'm okay with not longing this here. I think we should just remain patient. Liquidity mostly, in my opinion, 1014. That's kind of where I'm looking. Pink box. We'll see. Look at all these otters. My God. You guys are cool, man. Thank you for being here. I took the short but got out too early. Seems to be an ongoing issue. You need to have targets. That's it. You should understand where. So if you're short from in here, wherever you're short from, where are your targets, right? So if it's a scalp, like let's say you shorted up here, a scalp, you're looking to come to these lows. That should be your target 1, leave a runner. If you're scalp from here, you should be looking to come back into this area in here, which is the lows of the range, and then the lows of this range in here. Okay, so it's just targets, man. That's it. You got to have targets. Intentional trading too. So if you're looking, you could be swing short from here. Maybe this is take profit 1, depending on your setup, right? Take profit 2. Okay, depending on your setup, which means time is the issue, right? How long do you expect to be in the trade? You have to decide that before you take the trade. Otherwise, you wrecked. Or you're taking profits too early. Nice bounce out of here. Nice bounce out of here. Solana, trying to go. No trade. I smell fake out. I smell fake out. Retest continuation down. Retest to lows. Continuation down, possibly. Still no trade for me. Patience here. Showing you guys the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. We're here every morning trading with you guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful Thursday and a good week trading. Thank you for supporting the channel, guys. Patience here. Enticing buyers to get in here. I mean, unless you had the cojones to take the SFP, take profit 1. So that would have been a nice little scalp right here to here. Right? Not for me. Not with this bearish momentum to the downside here. NASDAQ. Didn't even come for this low. Came for this low, not this low. Interesting. ETH still hasn't tapped that low either. Solana still hasn't tapped this low either. Suggestion down. Okay. Suggestion down. Still no trade. Rolling over here on Biddy. It's Thursday already. Thank you for being here, Refund. Hopefully, I'm glad I've helped you be patient. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 570 people. I wonder if Sin City's... See, good call on that. Fake out there. I wonder if Sin City Crypto's comments worked again for the giveaway. We're doing a giveaway tomorrow, guys, in the morning. It didn't work today. I don't know why.
Aligned incentives and open competition.
Still at 8 comments, guys. Still at 8 comments. Oh, man. Greed and FOMO are hard to manage. Absolutely. Everything can look like a trade. Everything can look like a trade. It's for us to distinguish validity of putting on risk, right? Because anytime you take a trade, you guys are risking your money, guys. Like, take it seriously. We haven't taken this low yet. SPY rejection. Remember we said SPY can reject from here. Fills the gap, rejects from the gap. Continuation down here. Looking to take this low right here. 1021. Here we come. No trade yet. Still waiting. Want to see a reaction? Close back within the range. Still waiting. No trade. Nasty. Sick nasty, man. This market's crazy. Still no trade. Hands, everybody. Let's see some skiers in the chat. Patney Balubalubaji. This guy's a wanker, man. Lower. Trying to bounce. Nice pushback hammer candle. Solana pushback. Ethereum pushback. Nasdaq's taking that low now. Nice pushback for Bitcoin here. They seriously front run my level. They've been doing that a lot lately. Bastards. Still waiting here. I like that sweep. Like, I like this level. If we don't come back and sweep this and we take off, I understand. It's a good front run. It's a good front run. Anybody get long there? Put a 1 in the chat if you got long here. It's valid. It's valid. Cheeky bastards, man. They've been doing that a lot with my Bybit chart. Did they take it on the other charts? Nope. They took it on Bitstamp. Interesting. Still no trade here. Bearish momentum. Patience here. I don't see any turnaround for anything else. Solana maybe. Not really. Chopping. SPY rolling over. Weakness. Patience. No trade. Still waiting here, guys. This looks like it needs to come lower, in my opinion. A little bit of relief here. Orb in 30 seconds. Some of you got long. Okay. Have you ever considered sharing your charts in the Discord? Golden Child. Go into my TA section. There's a big super chart thing there. It's pinned. You got my Solana chart. You got you get all my charts. Never considered it. Can we get 300 likes for AlexOCrypto? You guys don't have to like it. Just say good morning. Don't be weird. Don't be weird. Hanging man engulfing candle here. Nice pushback. Nasdaq bouncing. Yep. SPY bouncing. Sol bouncing. ETH bouncing. Okay, so we're getting a little bounce here. Not something I'm really keen on right now to take. Really? Is that sufficient? Interesting. I don't think that's sufficient. I think lower. Break a structure, continuation down. No trade here, guys. Chop City. Top of the orb retest. VWAP and orb together. Major resistance here. We got major resistance here, major resistance in here. It's going to be hard to push here. We want clean structure here to get long. Otherwise, looks like we might be banging our heads. Good push for Solana. Good push for Ethereum. Try to reclaim the range here for Ethereum. No trade here. Retest of orb. Still waiting, guys. Ooh, nice. You got all the charts there, Golden Child. Soul Hanging Man engulfing. Okay. This is doing the same thing, just where we're at right now. Questionable. Still a downtrend, right? We've hit a key area. We are looking for reversals. You're not wrong there. A little wick test maybe on Solana here. I don't like it. I don't like taking a trade here when I know resistance is here, here, and here. And I'm okay with not being right here. I'm okay with not getting long here. Even if this was an A+ setup here, this resistance makes it a B+ setup, right? Like it's just, is the juice worth the squeeze here to me? Not really. Now, if we did something like this, okay, you get long here. If you got long here, if we had the SFP here, okay, I would be more convinced on that. But I'm not. So I don't take it. Confidence is key when trading as well. Order block here, rejection, retested lows. Trying to recover here. Trying to recover here. Trying to recover here. So S&P trying to push back here. NASDAQ trying to push back here. We'll see. No trade. Still waiting. Chop City in here. Structure suggests down because what did we do? We came in, we hit resistance up top here. We broke structure over here. We retested over here. We've trickled down. We've swept the liquidity out of the highs here. And we've put in a lower low. Structure suggests we come here. That's me. That's how I think about this right here. Liquidity, liquidity. Macro downtrend. Corrective. We'll see. We'll see. Chop at the WAP, chop at the top, right? Good patience. At the end of the day, if I protect you from taking a silly trade, I mean, you buying the top up here, right? Still waiting. That's a nasty candle. Good morning, Randy. Good morning, Guile. Elvis. We're going to zeros to sniper. Lower. Yeah, I see lower too. Hit the like. It's free, guys. Good morning, Meme Degen. Jay Violet, good to see you. How you doing? Just got banned from TradingView. Suspicious activity. Well, maybe don't start a TradingView fans. Only TradingView fans. Showing them your big girthy candle. Thank you for helping me not buy that top. You're welcome. Suelio Almeida is quite the racer. Awesome, man. How can you be one with nature if you don't eat steak? Yeah, I don't know. I'm a steakivore. Is that like a carnivore? But oh, we got a pasta and taco competition here, guys. Let's get some more votes on this poll. Good morning, one with nature. Hi from the Philippines. Hello, Harold. Part-time degen optimistic trader now, reading a bunch of books on Fibonacci and trading psychology and binging your stuff, of course. Thanks for being here, man. Fibs are good, man. Fibonacci. Check out VWAP, man. VWAP is the shit. Double bottom. Nasdaq's horrible right now, guys. No bid. There is no bid today, guys. There is no bid today. Just wreckage. It's good, man. Rip the Band-Aid off. I'm here for this. Good patience here, not buying that. Losing orb. Orb breakdown. Retest continuation. Failed orb breakdown. Retest continuation. That's what's on the table right now. Trying to get to the pink box. Lower. This says lower. We have swept that low now. Solana hasn't swept the low yet. NASDAQ coming to our box. That's good. That's where we wanted to see it go. Retest these highs. S&P. Big target box down below. Solana needs to lose this low here. Bitcoin rolling over. Stalling out. Continuation down. Good patience here, everybody. Very good patience. You can reward yourself for discipline. That's something I always encourage, is rewarding yourself for good discipline. Not taking the long up here like a namby-pamby, okay? It's very important to have good discipline and be patient. Put a 3 in the chat if you did not take this long and you waited. I think that's worth a GG's in my eyes. That is where we save our money. We preserve our capital. I will give you guys a GG's because I respect you guys for being patient. Okay, it's good job, everybody. Good job. Good recognition of weakness, right? Now we are trying to SFP right now, but it's a good recognition of weakness. We could see it across the board, right? We could see it on Solana. Solana failed to continue to push here. We could see it on ETH, failed to reclaim the range. Okay, we could see it on the SPY. Came back, rotated down. We could see it on the NASDAQ. Pushed up, failed to hold the range, back down. Okay, Bitcoin not fully taking the low. Understanding the bigger trend, one scalping, right? So we have the break, the retest, the breaking down, the liquidity down below, right? So putting it all together, we can make better decisions. Okay. It's a good job. Good patience. Trying to reclaim orb right now. No trade still, but trying to reclaim the orb. Not the greatest candle close. Bearish hammer. Suggests continuation down. Soy boy Lana got to come for this low 157. Actually, that's cheeky. We're looking for this low here. Yeah, let's lower this into this area here. I like that. I mean, why not come for the key support level here? Biddy rolling over here. Spy, come and fill this damn box, man. Just do it. And then bounce, please. Rip that band-aid off. NASDAQ lower. NASDAQ coming here now. Bitcoin lower. Pump and dump. Good patience, everybody. Good stream today, guys. Good stream today. I'm enjoying this. Grateful for you guys being here. 580 people here hanging out, man. Good job, good job. Good job, good job, everybody. Good job. Good job, all of you people. Oh, yeah, we got a lot of likes today, guys. 330 likes. That's awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We be setting records. And we're 200 subscribers away from 18,000, man. That's cool. That's cool, man. Pink box, here we come. Not yet, man. What this is suggesting that we're grabbing liquidity and retesting these highs, right? So we do have that little block down here. Pink box should actually be a little bit lower, like this. But I think we're including the golden pocket, so we'll leave it. But we could get a failed breakdown, like everybody getting bearish here, right? So the sentiment is to short this thing. Well, if we fake out and we reclaim orb, we can easily rotate back to grab all of this liquidity. So longs are still valid here. It's just we want confirmation. There's no confirmation to say long this thing here. If we, if we get a nice engulfing candle and a retest or something like that, or a nice sweep and bounce, let's go, right? Let's go. Let's take it back up to grab these guys. All these late shorts. Shorts are building in here. Shorts, right? Liquidity. So we could easily sweep, reclaim, come for the liquidity and go. Okay? Like exhaustion, slow moving price action at the bottom. You're waiting for a slap, right? So when you're chopping down here, chop, 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 you're waiting for the boom and reclaim. When you see that, you know that volume is stepping up. Buyers are stepping in to buy the price up and send price in the opposite direction, coming back to wreck all this leverage in here. And that's when you get balance in the force. In the higher turn time frame, retracement. You can still take a long in a downtrend, but you should only be looking for the retracement. Because the retracement is what comes back and it wrecks the traders here. And then it continues. The easiest trade in this downtrend is from here to here. Because you're with trend and you're taking it down. That's the easiest trade in a downtrend. Okay? The easiest trade in an uptrend or a downtrend is when you have structure break. You have the retest. Here's your retest from here to this low. Don't care about coming down here. This is the easiest trade from here to here in all of trading. If you learn how to trade the trend and take this trade and make your money within here, that's where you make all the juice, man. Right? Same with the uptrend, okay? The easiest trade, right? We push out. Low, high. The easiest trade is from here to here. That is your easiest trade in an uptrend. Okay? Learn how to trade that and guarantee you make some good money. Let's see, don't want to move my stuff around here. Bitcoin dropping. I'm watching it on my other screen. Don't worry, you guys are safe. I'm still looking after you. I'm still looking after you. No trade here. I'm gonna send you over to Army Piper, guys. Go and hang out with the Piper Academy. 550 people here, guys. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Hopefully you guys made some money. Go over there, throw some otters in the chat, support Army Piper and the Piper Academy. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. I do enjoy hanging out with you guys. Discord, I will see you guys in the chat. Bye.
On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that